Hey,
Oh, she looks really pretty in that commercial.
what's up, dude? What are you doing?
Make them real. J'adore Dior.
Dude, don't start humping my foot.
Customizing state hundreds
Not.
of car insurance with Liberty Mutual. Let's fly.
No, but he's biting out my fucking sweatpants. What's your deal, bro? What do you need? Hey, Roger, what is the deal?
I thought you were right now. Only pay for what you need. Liberty, 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 liberty.
My God, this dog.
Me and Chris are going to Houston to see Dr. now. I know I have to do something drastic at this point, or I won't be around much longer.
He's a good boy.
But it's a long trip
He
from Oregon
is.
to Houston, so I have to go by plane.
Roger,
There's
you be
just
good
no way I
boy?
can get in a car for that long on the road.
You be good boy.
So I'm trying to make this trip as short as possible.
Don't jump. You be good boy.
So I've got your ticket, my free
Roger,
tickets.
what are you doing?
This is gonna be embarrassing.
It's been over 10 years since I've been on a plane.